This is how you can create your own Chrome extension that fetches the queries being used by ChatGPT in order to give you the best answers and product recommendations. This video was inspired by this post from Zack Notes. He built this extension and we thought it was really fascinating. Being able to understand the thought process of ChatGPT can help us optimize our content strategy in the hopes of getting our product and brand being featured in these answers. But we thought we can improve this Chrome extension even more. Why not add a new tab that takes these queries and then using AI suggest a list of content pillars and topics to write about in order to answer these questions. So, step number 1, we went to ChatGPT, we uploaded the Chrome extension files from Zack, and then we asked it to replicate the same functionality, but also add a new tab that would suggest these content pillars. We want it to be powered by AI, so we want to use OpenAI's API for generating content ideas. A few seconds later, we got the Chrome extension zip file. Make sure to unzip it. Then step number 2, go to your Chrome extension manager, enable developer mode, click on load unpacked, and then upload your unzipped file. Step number 3, go to platform.openai.com and then create a new secret key. You will need this to make sure that your Chrome extension becomes powered by AI. Step number 4, go to your ChatGPT tab, click on the Chrome extension icon, and then paste your secret key here and click on save. And now whenever you're asking any question on ChatGPT, this Chrome extension is going to pop up and you're going to get the queries being used by ChatGPT to answer your question. So in this example, it was, what is the best CRM for startups? And you can see the thought process of ChatGPT. So some of the queries were best CRM for startups 2025 recommendations. And then the second one includes features, pricing, and comparison. And then if you click on content pillars, you can see some topic recommendation and sample titles. And we can use those to hopefully write new content and optimize our content strategy.